It is time for Medicare for All. We are so excited to be the original lead sponsors of the Expanded and Improved Medicare for All Act of 2019.
Every American in this country's got a right to quality, affordable health care. And for too many Americans, it's not happening.
Guaranteed health insurance, that's what we're talking about. This is the #1 pocketbook issue across the country. And so the bill that we've introduced has 113 co-sponsors. We're about to have the third hearing in a month. The most important thing about the Ways and Means hearing is that it is one of the 2 major committees of jurisdiction.
The fact that the House Ways and Means Committee is having a hearing shows they've heard people. They understand we have a crisis and we need to act.
This is about letting people know what the plan involves. So these hearings are really important because they help us to educate people.
I lost my husband 4 months ago, but every time I went to the doctor, people would come up to us and tell us their stories. We need people to talk about it. We need you to put the human face on it. We need people to understand that it's people in every community and across the country.
Many times I've had patients that have had to say they can't do their colonoscopy this year because they can't afford the new $8,000 deductible.
It costs less than $10 to produce a vial of insulin and you're charging $300? How did that slip by the government?
That's why this hearing is so important, because it's bringing attention to an issue and helping us move towards the ultimate goal of every person in this country being able to afford quality of health care.
We are currently the most expensive healthcare system in the world, and yet we have the worst health outcomes, the highest infant mortality, the highest maternal mortality, and we're the only country of our peers that has life expectancy going down and not up.
Legislation can be very slow. First universal health care bill introduced early 40s, became law in 1965. Then the Affordable Care Act. Change can be slower than many of us want, but change can happen if you stay at it and you are constant and you pursue it.
This time around, we have an incredible coalition of labor unions, major unions like the UAW, SEIU, AFT, NEA, many others. We have a historic hearing in the Ways and Means Committee. I think it is really showing the work of activists and regular people across the country who have been continuing to say, Republicans, Independents, and Democrats, swing districts and non-swing districts, this is a human right and we're going to fight for it.